We have updates that you need to follow and do. We got the Jupiter voting number 2 for your Jupiter airdrop, so make sure to listen closely. And we jump straight onto the laptop, and the first thing is the Doodles x Zora NFT here. Very important to mint. I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and mint it over on Base or whichever network that you want. I will go and grab myself over on Base, as it is only 42 cents. I do not have enough Ethereum for this, so let's go and switch it to the OP, to the mainnet over on Optimism, and we can go and grab it for 49 cents. Confirm. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and grab yours. It is very, very important. All minter purchases are subject to Duos Digital Collectible Media License Agreement, as well as the special event happening on December 5th. So heads up, make sure to go and grab it. Link is down below. Following up, we have the new claiming of the Saga Vault 8 airdrop is now live. And you do have 7 days to go and claim your reward. The snapshot of the Vault 8 was taken on November 26th. So the Saga airdrop hunters and people that staked, you are eating good. Like, Saga is really giving you a lot of airdrops. So congratulations to all of you. Big ups. And go and check your wallets. Talking about another airdrop that you'll be able to go and claim is on December 6th, 2024. Sorry, got a hiccup over there. At 10 a.m. UTC time, a total of 750 million F tokens, 7.5% of the total supply will be allocated to eligible airdrop participant. And this is for the SynFutures V1 and V2 users, the V3 Oyster Odyssey points, long-term active users with extra bonus, and community rewards winner of selected campaigns. As we see here, we do have the countdown. So if you are looking at this video tomorrow on, in this case, December 5th, or December 6th onwards, I will leave you the link down below and you will find the link to go and claim yourself this airdrop. Talking about the important stuff over regarding Jupiter airdrop, as we see over here, we do have the second vote is now live. So this voting, of course, it makes sense to go and vote it. Absolutely, yes. First of all, for the Jupiter airdrop. Second of all, for the ASR airdrop, which you do receive by simply voting and staking Jupiter. And what are the changes from this season 1 which we did see? So the proposals are very, very important and very interesting. Following the first Jupiter vote that did not pass, the team has reviewed all verified feedback the voter. So this is the new proposal, and it is having like 80% yes rate. Like, it is incredibly approved. So the portion of the allocation will go to incentivizing holding, buying, and voting through the year. Unclaimed Jupiter token will also go into ASR. This means that if you are a holder of the token, if you never sold, if you buy the token, if you vote throughout the year, which, by the way, this also means to go over to the Jupiter platform. I will leave the link down below. Once you are through the Jupiter platform over here, simply go over here to the governance and you'll be able to go and vote. But here it says, incentivize holding, buying, and voting. So, as I always told you to go and participate for the Jupiter airdrop, also season 2, season 3, make sure to go and do swaps. Swap from Solana to Jupiter. Over here, do it on a day-to-day basis. Simply go and do half, do whatever you want. Go and do on a daily basis, do your swaps, which it is very, very important to go and do. So, swap on a daily basis over on Jupiter, switch back to Solana. This is for buying, this is for holding. This is not for buying and holding. It's incentivized for holding, buying, and voting through the year. So if you go and do, on a day-to-day basis, every other day, if you go and do your transaction, like I've always told you to do, this proposal will go towards you, will work towards your favor. As we see here, that it is for voting, holding, buying throughout the year. Voting, we have done it. You're good to vote, because if you are holding, if you got your Jupiter staked, then you are also voting. So voting and holding is good. Doing swaps, daily swaps, going and do everything within the wallet itself, go and do the transaction like I always tell you to do. It is very, very important. That is also buying and selling, but you are also buying the token. There will be an explicit allocation for stakers. And by the way, anybody that doesn't claim this Jupiter airdrop, or I believe also the first one, those Jupiter rewards, people forget to claim it, they will go into the ASR rewards. The ASR rewards are the rewards that you do receive by staking and voting over here on the governance proposal. There will be an explicit allocation for stakers with bonus for historical consistency. So this means that If you stake your token, just like I did, you never unstake them, and you simply kept the stake since day one, there will be a bonus for you. You will receive more money by holding the token. This is because they do want to reward the community. The community is those that do not sell and those that do not unstake. We will be hyper focused on including as many real users as possible using key parameters like actual holdings, participation in the ecosystem, and consistency place of uses. Notably, like the first Jupiter, bots will be explicitly excluded. Similar to the previous vote, the team will be sticking a 70% yes vote under the construction. So I will be go and voting yes. Let me know your vote down below. Let me know what you decide to go and vote. My vote is yes, and here we got the feedback. So I believe, let's say what my feedback is, that I believe that rewarding the real users, people that hold and also vote, is very important. So this is my belief, and we can go and submit it over here, signature sign, and we are good to go. So I did vote, and as we see over here, now once we go back to the page of the governance, you will see that I voted. So we voted for 2, and this is what is going to be giving you the most reward: how many votes you've done, how long you had your Jupiter staked for. You don't have to be a whale to have like 10,000 Jupiter, 100,000 Jupiters. It also now depends how, it didn't say the amount of Jupiter staked, it says how long they have been staked for, which is really, really good. This means that the real community, whether you're less fortunate or more fortunate to have different amount of tokens, you will be rewarded. And I got $520 more or less, so $600 at current time. And I do believe that is really good. As you see here, I try to vote for everything. I've just missed 3, but my bad. But this is it. This is very, very important. So make sure to go over to the swap on Jupiter. The link is down below. Do your swapping, include the transaction, do everything. Do the Jupiter to Solana, Solana to Jupiter, in and out to USDC, etc. Transaction volume, very, very important. Following up, we have the Elys airdrop checker is now live over on the Elys network. This is to be eligible. You have to go and stake Atom, Hydro users, or STA Atom holders. You need to vote on proposal 897 for ICS 2.0. The threshold was set to 10 Atom stake, which I do not have. So, you know, whatever. I'm not going to be eligible for this. I do stake a lot of TIA, and yet TIA never rewarded its users as of right now. So, you know, this is it. But Elys, it's gonna come soon. Make sure to go and grab it. Another airdrop that is coming soon, the GLS airdrop. They're allocating 6% of the total supply to reward you that help drive our ecosystem forward. You are still in time, no snapshot taken. You're still in time to go and join. As we see here, it is super easy. Through the link down below, you will be redirected over here, and it is all free to do. So what you gotta do is simply over here, over on Glacier, do this quest, like, retweet, quote, and then you will be getting yourself the point system over here, which we do have. I do believe we already got this one, and for some reason it is not voting, but the verification is failed. We can go and try again. Anyway, I will leave you the Glacier link down below. Make sure to go and do all of the quests. You then have the possibility to deploy your verified node, and there is a step-by-step guide, which I'm not going to be staying here and read you through every article, but there is a step-by-step guide on how to run a node, download, confirm, set up your private key, make sure you confirm the file. All of this very, very important. And then if you wish, invite friends. So if you wish to join me through the referral link down below, thank you very much. You need to be a valid invite, as we see over here. The user should invite who completed social task or node running, which means social task, simply go and complete the Galaxy quest and you are good to go, which are this one over here, which slowly they are understanding that I have done already. And we are good to go and complete the task. Following up, we have the participation for the Namada incentivized testnet. You can check your airdrop allocation over here on the interface.namada.qduce.com. You can connect your Namada wallet over here, connect the keychain. If you have the possibility, approve or deny. And your gateway, please create or import an account using Namada keychain, which I have not done it, so I'm not going to be eligible for it. But if you are, the link will be down below. Make sure to go and check it out for yourself. A super easy airdrop to go and grab yourself from Enigma. Once again, my friend, not my friend, but a fellow in Twitter influencer I do follow, had confirmed this one, the Sandwatch.ai website. I will leave the link down below. Simply go and reload the page, check out everything that you need to do. and you will be over here. You can simply click on confirm the seat and select a username, then click or unlock ticket, connect Solana wallet and approve the transaction. I will leave you the link down below for you to go and grab yourself a seat. As you see over here, basic seat, K-row number, lottery, free to enter, free airdrop to enter, so make sure to go and do. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below about this airdrop. Let me know what you vote for the Jupiter airdrop. Very, very important, and go and claim the 2 previous airdrop. But with that said, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, subscribe if you're new, turn notification bell on, and I'll see you all later. Ciao, guys.